Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Haley Jefferson. Louisiana Department of Health will no longer publicly promote vaccines to treat illnesses like the flu and COVID. One Louisiana-based nonprofit is protesting the new policy. KPLC's Stephanie Obadiku has more.
Historically, and especially during the pandemic, the Louisiana Department of Health encouraged vaccinations, but soon that will no longer be the case. A spokesperson from the LDH said, in part, quote, "In general, the department is shifting away from one-size-fits-all paternalistic guidance to a more informative approach aimed at enabling individuals in consultations with their doctors to make better decisions for themselves." This comes as a surprise to some, since the Bayou State currently has one of the highest flu rates in the nation. Louisiana's Families for Vaccines is a nonprofit focused on educating families about the impact of immunizations on personal and public health. Founder Dr. Jennifer Herricks is appalled by the state's decision.
As I read the article that outlined this new policy, my heart just sank more and more, realizing that the Department of Health seemed to be putting politics ahead of the health of the people in the state that they serve.
She and her team crafted an open letter against what they call an anti-science policy shift.
Not everyone has regular access to a physician's office, unfortunately. And so the Department of Health really does play a crucial role. And one of the things that we're doing is we have an open letter to the Department of Health that any healthcare worker in Louisiana can add their name to.
The LDH says promotion of immunizations for children will continue. But regarding adults, the department has other health priorities, including, quote, reducing overdose deaths, maternal mortality, and the burden of chronic disease in the coming years. Stephanie Obadiku, 7 News.
For more information on the new policy and to read the full statement from the LDH, visit our website, kplctv.com.